Very good morning, my dear students. In the last video, we will learn about South America, the introduction part of South America, and we learned so many interesting facts in this lesson. But today, now, in this video or in this section, I would like to continue my topic. The name of the topic is Physical Features of South America, or physical characteristics of South America. So South America has wonderful or spectacular, wonderful topographical characteristics or wonderful physical characteristics. The South America has mountains with covered snow and having the dense forest, and it is a rich fertile soil, and also we can see there deserts. Okay, this all we learn one by one. The major physical divisions of the South America or in this continent, there are four physical divisions of South America. How many are there? Four are there. Namely, Andes Mountain, the Eastern Island, the Central Lowlands, the Western Coastal Plain. These subtopics we will discuss one by one. The first one is that Andes Mountain. Okay, so I will explain through the map where the Andes mountain located in South America, where the Andes mountain lies in the South America. Through the map we will learn this. Okay, I just indicate with the pen. So this is the Andes mountain, where the copy color is then now, right? I am showing the indicate from here. The Andes mountain start or begin north of America to the south of America. So this is Andes mountain. How much kilometer it is? It is 6,440 kilometer. The distance between from here from north to south, it is 6,400 kilometer. But in these mountain ranges, in this mountain range, we can see that highest peak. There you can see that highest peak located between the Argentina and Chile. Chile means this is the name of the country here. Chile. Okay. Chile, or is also called Chile or Chile. Right. This is the place. I show one more map. Okay. In this part, Chile country is located. Okay, I take one more map here, so that it going to be clear to you. Okay, so this is a Chile country, right? Here you can see Argentina. So in between the Chile and Argentina border, there you can see the mountain Aconcagua. Aconcagua is a mountain located. Aconcagua. Okay, so between the Chile and Argentina, there you can see the highest peak in the South America, right? So what is the height of this mountain is that? The height of the mountain is this 6,960 meters. What is the height of the mountain? 6,960 meter. This is the Andes mountain. Okay, in this part we can see the highest peak. What is the name of the highest peak? Is Aconcagua. Aconcagua is the highest peak. Or also in this region also we can see lot of earthquakes and volcanoes. Okay, so in this region South America, or I show one more map. Okay, this map, in this part along the West Pacific coast, right? We have a Pacific ring of fire will be there. Pacific ring of fire, or I can show the picture here. This is the Pacific ring of fire. Pacific ring of fire. So in this part or in this location, we can see a lot of uh, earthquakes and volcanoes activities. Okay, earthquakes and volcano activities. I hope so. This point was clear to you. Okay, and apart from the Aconcagua, there are um, other peaks are there. Okay, and also that Andes mountain also rich for minerals like copper and tin. The Andes are the rich in minerals like copper and tin. Okay, so this apart from the highest peak, there are other two other peaks are there, and these two peaks also located in Curator. I show you where is the Curator, right? Curator, I'll show you that. Okay, here this part. Okay, I'll locate this part. We can see other peaks. Okay, so other two peaks are there, and here is ice peak is there. Okay, and the Pacific ring of fire, there we can see earthquakes and volcanoes. Okay, I go for next point. So eastern islands, eastern island, this is also very distinct, very special islands. We can see the special two islands are there. So I explain through the map, explain through the map. Eastern island, okay, I will show the map. Okay, not this one, not this map, not this map, not this map. Okay, now I got it. So there are two islands are there. Okay, one is Guniana, Guniana Island, Guniana Island. One is the Brazilian island, Brazilian island, Guniana Island. Okay, so in the two islands we can see in the eastern islands. Okay, in the eastern island, this eastern island include two special islands. One is the Guniana Island in the north, and other one is that the Brazilian island in the south. Okay, and these islands, two islands made of old rocks like the Deccan Plateau, Deccan Plateau of India. Okay, is made of old rocks like a Deccan Plateau of India. But in this eastern island, there also one more river, right? On this river, the world highest waterfall formed. Highest waterfall we can see river Churn, river Churn, right? River Churn. This river Churn is a tributary of Orinoco. Orinoco is this is one of the large river. Okay, so is a river Churn is a tributary of Orinoco. Okay, and on this river Churn we can see the world highest waterfall, that is Angel Falls. Here you can see that in the map. In the map you can see the Angel Falls here. And what is the height of these Angel Falls is that 974 meter, right? This is also called as the Guniana Shield, right? What is the mountain you are seeing here? This is the Guniana Shield. Okay, so this is Angel Falls, the river Churn, and the river Churn is the tributaries of Orinoco River. Okay, so this is also clear to you. Now coming to the central lowland, right? Well, again we have to go back to the map. The central lowland. The central lowland lies between the Andes mountain and the eastern island. In this part we can see the large rivers. The large rivers means three major rivers we can see that. Okay, the Amazon, the Orinoco, the Lala Flat, river basins. I tell you that. What is a river basin? I show you that. So one of the largest and the famous river and the longest river is that Amazon. Okay. The Orinoco River forms the plain land in the northern part, which is separated by the Guyana Island that we already seen in the previous topic. Okay, already we learned in the previous year. Okay, Eastern Island. Okay, uh, from the Amazon basin. Okay, here this part is known for hunting land, and also is a lowland, plain land. Okay, or we can say that patal land or gazing land is known for gazing, or you can say that production of agriculture. Okay, let's see through the map the Amazon River and Orinoco River and Lala Platte rivers, right? And what is the river basins? I'll show through the map and where this central lowland exactly located in South America. Okay, I'll show the through the map. I'll show the through the map now. Okay, now let me rub this one. Okay, now see here. This is the Amazon River. This is the Amazon River. Okay, the black with the blue color. The blue color is the main river. Is the main river means that is the Amazon River. These all these all tributaries of Amazon River. Tributaries of the small river join with the main river. Okay, I'll show one more picture to you very clear so that you can yeah. So this is Amazon River, right? This is Amazon River. There also I can show in the textbook also, and even in the textbook also I'll show you that. Okay, in the textbook. See, these all a river system of South America. Here you can see that Orinoco River. Right on this river, River Chan, right, where you can see the world highest waterfall. Okay, this is the Amazon River. Okay, here you can see Lala Platte. Lala Platte means three rivers together. It's called as Lala Platte. Flat. Lala Platte. Right? Name is not so clear. In the next topic I will explain. Okay. Is it clear? Let me go back to the topic. Okay. So right, this is clear to you. So what is a basin? Also I told you that. What is a river basin means? River basin means this part is called river basin. Okay. So this is the Orinoco River, and here we have three rivers are there. Okay, right. So next part, next to last one is that the west coastal plain. The west coastal plain. Let me show. These are narrow plains found between the Pacific Ocean and Andes mountain range. The west coast is almost devoid of coastal plain except in patches, because the Andes mountain rises steeply from the coast. Narrow coastal plains are found in central Chile and Colombia along the west coast. The coastal line is indented, broken form. Many big cities lie in the coastal plain. There are many islands in this southern part. Namely, I'll show you that one by one. Okay. Through the picture, I'll show you that so that you can understand the topic clearly. Okay. This is, yeah, this map. This is the Amazon River. See here. This is a picture of the Amazon River. Okay, Amazon River. Amazon River. Okay, Now better I take this picture map only. Okay, this is the west coastal plain. Which one? Which one it is? This is the west coastal plain, right? This is a narrow. We can see in the Chill and the Colombia, narrow place. Okay, very narrow. What is there? Narrow, and it is broken. And is a broken. I will show the islands. Not getting exact picture. I'll show you the island. Okay, I will take one more new picture. Take a new picture. I'll show you that islands of South America. Okay, islands of South America. Here you can see here, this is a flag land. Flag land. This is one of the island. Here is one more island is there, Galapagos. Galapagos is island. Okay, and also this is the, here you can see the Caribbean Sea. Okay, this is the Caribbean Sea. Okay, and here Colombo in Colombia. Here we can see narrow coastal plain, and here also we can see the narrow coastal plain. Okay, of course there are many other islands are there. Okay, let's see that what are there. I have shown two. Okay, so Ornos Island. So I have to go through the Google. I have to show this one means I have to go to the Google. Even on the coastal line, we can see the big cities. What we can see there? You can see in these big cities are there. What are there? Big cities. Big cities like us here. Right? Curator, Peru. Right? Colombia, Venezuela. Okay, all big cities we can lies in this west coastal plain. So my dear friend, based on this topic, I will frame the questions I'll send to you, and let me finish the small rivers and the lake. Okay, rivers and lake. I'll show you that rivers and lake. The Amazon, as another name for Amazon is that female warrior. The Parana, Paraguaya, Ugraya, and Orinoco are the important river systems of the South America. There are 5 important river systems are there. Among the 5, Amazon is the largest. What is the how much kilometer of the Amazon river means? 6,450 kilometers. 6,450 kilometers, which rises in the Andes mountain. It is the longest in South America and the largest river in the world. Okay. Apart from that Amazon river, the Orinoco is another important river. The combined rivers system of the 3 are there: Parana, Paraguaya, Ugraya is called as La Plata. Okay, which is the highest lake in the world. That is the Titicaca. Titicaca is the highest lake in the world, and it is located in the Bolivia country. I show you that Bolivia country. So here the Bolivia country. Okay. So in this country, which lake is highest lake means? Titicaca. Titicaca is the highest lake. Okay. I'll show Amazon river also. Want to see na? I want to see Amazon rivers. Yeah, this is Amazon river. Okay, here Orinoco, and here 3 rivers are there. Okay. Then, and apart from the highest lake in the world, there are other important lakes are there. So other important lakes of South America are there. So just go through that. Okay, this is the Titicaca Lake. Titicaca Lake. So these are the river system. Okay, river system of South America. Major river islands: Anaconda, largest river with 1,000 tributaries, means okay, 11.50% of the world land area. Okay, so in the coming video, in the next video, we'll discuss about climate. Okay, so by this I would like to wind up this topic, and keep watch this video with hand free or with earphone. Okay, so that you can listen clearly, you can understand the topic so clearly. Okay, so based on this topic I will frame the questions, and you find the answer in the textbook itself. Okay, so just to go through the textbook, you get the answer. Okay, thank you my dear students. Just watch this video.